Hey guys, beautiful day. Pasensya na, medyo messy pa ang aking hair at oily pa ang aking skin. And I've repurchased skincare products. Repurchase ko yung mga gusto ko talagang mga products from Skin 104. Yung Probiosika nila and yung brightening ampule nila. And this time, ito-try ko ito. This one is the Skin 104 Pore Care Pore Minimizing Stick Mask. Yung na-try ko sa kanila is yung Pore Minimizing Ampule. So, this time naman, itong mask stick. So, I used to use the Innisfree clay mask. Tapos, nag-transition ako sa Skintific na clay mask, yung color green. Then, naubos ko na siya. Then, naisip ko, try ko kaya yung sa Skin 104. Kasi gusto kong i-achieve na i-try lahat ng Skin 104 products. So, ayan. Ideally, after washing the face, saka mo siya ilalagay. Kita ba? Wala. So, let's apply it. Medyo maingay ang aking background. Nalaligo ang aking mga kids. Ang sabi sa packaging, 3 to 5 minutes we can wash it off. Now with warm water or tap water. So wait natin for a few minutes. Pa-dry natin siya bago natin siya i-rinse. Okay, it's already dry. As you can see, hindi na siya malagkit. At pag ginaganyan ko na ay hindi na siya masyadong transfer. So let's rinse it off. Ang linas ng feeling, mattified ng face, but still, moisturized pa rin siya. And I love it. Ito talaga yung pinaka-importanteng dapat malinis kasi may mga sebaceous filaments tayo dyan. If you also want to try this one out, check in the yellow basket.